Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 2005 Mustang GT Premium. It's fully loaded. It's got leather, automatic. It's got custom wheels on it too, Borla exhaust, and a cold air intake. Special thing about this car, it's got 12,444 original miles. Only 2 owners, always garage kept. Really gorgeous shape. Window sticker, owner's manuals, everything. Really love this combo too. Got mats over mats over mats. It's pristine. Automatic, Parchment roof, anti-theft system. That's an alarm. Interior upgrade gives you the leather, wheel locks, side airbags, and a boot on this car. Redfire clear coat, medium Parchment interior. Base sticker was $33,410. Power top, power windows, chrome wheels. Looks like new brakes in the back. Tires are 255, 45, 18. It's got 18s all the way around. The Borla exhaust sounds really good too. The chrome Borla tips. Rear spoiler. Like a brand new car. Here's the sun. This Redfire paint's got a little bit of metallic in it. $12,444 miles. Automatic. Beautiful shape. Power top. Just goes down nice and easy. And the button right here that brings it down. Windows go down. There she is. It's an insulated top. And it has the boot as well. So one press of the button brings the windows down and the top down. Cool. A dress-up kit in here too. Got the chrome up front, chrome caps, chrome dipstick. Dressed up at the top of the shock towers as well. K&N Air Filter. Car is pristine. Gorgeous. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. Check out the website too. I took about, 200 pictures today. Thanks a lot.